Welcome back to Chicago Auto Pros, everybody. We have a brand new 2023 Nissan Z with the new body style. Very beautiful, and it's brand new. As you can see, we still have all the plastic sheathing on there to remove. We have a ton of aftermarket options going on this vehicle, including paint protection film, window tint, and ceramic coating. Get it started. If you haven't checked it out already, I did a full inspection on this brand new 400Z. Check it out after this one.
What's up guys, Jose here. We're tinting the Nissan Z in XPEL Prime XR, 55 on the front too, and 35 on the rears. Looks pretty easy to me, so we'll get this done right away. So we gotta remove these stickers, try to save them for the customer. Alright, so even though it's a brand new car, it's still filthy. Prep is key. Alright, so now this window's clean, go to the next one. Let's go. I can't move. There you go. Thank you. So now, glass is prepped. Ruben already cut the windows and ready to shrink it. A lot of people have questions of, does tint go on the outside or on the inside? So first, you put it on the outside to get the form of the glass and to shrink it. Then, you peel the liner, you rip it off, and you expose the window tint. So that part goes on the inside. There's curvature to this window, so if you were to lay this window on there, all these fingers that are on the outside will pop up on the inside. So it's just mimicking what the window is and how curved it is. Is done. I just gotta let it dry. By the time I'm done that one, I'll come back, shave the window, come out perfect. The windows are dry, I can shave them. We shave them, that way there's no gap around the glass and it looks like it came from factory. Car is done, wipe the panels off. Now it's time to send it to the preppers.
So we just got the Z from Window Tint. They did an amazing job. We're gonna get a prep for paint protection film and ceramic coating.
For a brand new car, but there is some dirt in here. Yes. Next step, decontaminate the whole car using Iron X and clay bar. So the clay bar just basically lifts all the contamination up that the wash pit didn't get.
So we just finished prepping the car over in the wash bay over here. We're just gonna give it a quick polish and it'll be all set for PPF.
It's Friday and it's my birthday too. Yours, Chris, too. Yeah! Yesterday, the preppers did their job and they polished the car. And now we are ready to do some PPF. We also got Carson here. He's a new PPF installer. He's gonna be the best in the industry. Let's go. Let's go.
Or actually, can you pull it more down? Because at the bottom we are short here. I will tack it right here, not in that corner. And I'll go other side, stretch it so I can get rid of those middle fingers there. See? Those fingers are gone. And now we're gonna split the hood on the half, and you do your half, I'll do my half here. Next, we're gonna trim the hood and we're gonna lift it up, spray some IPA so it's gonna evaporate faster. We're gonna let it sit to dry out the edges and then we're gonna do fenders. Oh, thank you, Dan. This is a tiny little squeegee. Trying to make it as perfect as I can, because if the factory makes the panels perfect, then we have to make them perfect too. Roll the edges. While the Carson is heating up the edges, I'm gonna finish those headlights and that should be it. We are already done with PPF installing Kobe. Alright, so we are in the last and the best part. Alright, so we just got done with PPF. Now we're gonna move the car on the detail area. They're gonna do some correction and ceramic coating too.
So we just got the Nissan from PPF. The paint's in pretty good condition, but we're gonna give it a quick polish anyways before we apply the ceramic coating. Oscar's taping up the Z, so we'll go ahead and do that and then we'll get started on it. The Nissan is now protected with PPF, Crystal Serum Light, and Exo. Thanks for watching. See you next time.